This machine grinds sterilized bones into fine powder. Our dust control system keeps the air safe. The powder is used in many products. This is our crushed bone powder. We monitor the particle size and consistency to meet our quality standards. This high-temperature drying chamber removes moisture from the bone powder. It's a critical step to ensure the powder is stable and high quality. This machine separates the fine calcium-rich powder. The fine particles fall through the mesh while larger ones are filtered out.
Always wear gloves and a mask. Now, collect the powder carefully to avoid contamination. Fill to the line. This ensures product integrity.
We're adding bone powder to the purified liquid. The agitator mixes it for calcium to calcium, which is then filtered out. These stainless steel filtration pipes ensure purity by separating impurities from the white calcium liquid. The constant flow is key to our quality control.
We're testing calcium purity for cosmetics. This pH reading confirms it's within range. Next, we'll verify the weight.
Inside the chamber, heat causes the liquid to crystallize. The crystals dry into this fine cosmetic-grade powder.
Observe the uniform, fine texture of this pure white calcium powder. This consistency confirms its high purity and final quality.
This robotic arm fills each container with precision. Automation ensures accuracy and sterility.
The sealed containers move steadily to the production area. Next, they are scanned and routed for final packaging. Our cosmetic-grade calcium is organized by lot number on these shelves. We rotate stock using first in, first out to maintain freshness. The system delivers calcium to our lipstick mixers. It ensures precision and high productivity.
We stir the wax gently to release air bubbles and create a smooth, even base. This smooth base is key for a perfect finish.
The blades are blending the wax and oils. We maintain 65 degrees for a uniform melt. Too hot and it burns, too cool and it separates.
Now adding the red pigment for crimson rose. This gives the shade its rich, matte finish, stirring to ensure even color dispersion. As the pigments dissolve, they disperse evenly, ensuring the final color is perfectly consistent. This uniformity is crucial for quality control.
We're adding cosmetic-grade calcium powder to the lipstick mixture. This improves the texture, making it smoother and creamier.
This machine removes air bubbles to ensure a perfect finish. Watch as the bubbles are extracted, creating a smooth result.
Observe the glossy, uniform texture of this lipstick liquid. We test its flow to ensure a smooth, even application.
We're setting the mixing speed to 1250 RPM for optimal blending. Now, adjusting the heat set point to 190 degrees for the reaction phase.
Welcome. Our synchronized machines run at 4 hours with 0 units per hour, maximum speed and efficiency. The robotic arm is positioning the lipstick molds onto the conveyor. The conveyor moves them along for the next step.
This is our precision mold for the lipstick shape. The bullet must align perfectly with the cavity. This ensures the final luxury shape.
This automated nozzle fills each mold with perfect accuracy. It ensures consistent volume and eliminates human error. This is our cooling tunnel. Temperature is key. We maintain 4 degrees Celsius plus or minus half. It's fully automated.
Here, the molten lipstick begins to cool and set in the mold. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes to fully solidify into a firm stick. The transformation is nearly complete. Our robotic arm precisely unclamps the lipstick mold. It lifts and separates the mold, exposing the solid lipstick. Now, it extracts the lipstick gently from the cavity, a clean, automated demolding process.
Here's the perfectly revealed lipstick stick. Observe the smooth, harsh standards for even application. There is no breakage and a critique eine Schäbe time. This machine gives the lipstick its sharp finish. The blade rotates and precisely carves the tip. This removes imperfections, leaving a clean, sharp tip ready for the case. A perfect, sharp point. The polishing wheel smooths the lipstick surface, removing imperfections for a flawless finish. This glossy finish improves the product's look and feel, making it more appealing.
Here are the finished Velour Luxe matte sticks in crimson rose. Let's inspect one. Notice the smooth, even matte finish. The color is rich and consistent with no imperfections. This ensures a perfect product. Okay, so for final approval, you review this report first. Okay, and then it goes to management? Exactly, they sign off here. That's the final step.
Got it. Thanks for walking me through it. This lipstick is rejected. See the uneven tip and cracks? It fails our smoothness and finish rules. We check every single one. Only perfect products go to customers.
The final approval process begins with a thorough review of this document. We verify all details and check the required boxes. Authorized signatures are added here. Finally, we confirm approval in the system.
This is our luxury cap locking system, designed for premium packaging. The cap twists on smoothly and locks with a secure click, ensuring the product's luxury feel. A premium solution for high-end brands.
We're laser printing batch number 50 on this tube for precise tracking. The latches the ID directly onto the plastic. Now the system logs it, linking the sample to our database. This prevents errors and keeps everything auditable.
Beginning final inspection on Velora Luxe Matte Crimson Rose Tube. Label is clear, matte finish is uniform, no surface imperfections. Cap secure, tube passes inspection.